If you are wondering if you can pay with Nothing Phone 3a Pro, then the answer is yes. And in order to do this, first we need to go to the settings. And let's go to connected devices, choose connection preferences, and we want to make sure that NFC is enabled. In addition to that, it is recommended to enable require device unlock for NFC so that no contactless payment is made without unlocking the device first. And also over here in contactless payments, we can switch, for example, to Google Wallet. Next, we can go to the Wallet app, which is actually pre-installed on this phone. And by using this app, we can add our credit or debit card. If you see the notification, if the app is asking you to grant permission for notifications, then of course we can do this. And in my case, I need to press View Wallet. And now we can press Add to Wallet over here in the bottom right corner to choose Payment Card. And we can open the rear camera in order to scan our credit or debit card. In case you have some troubles with scanning the information, then we can also press Enter Details manually at the bottom. Fill everything in, scroll all the way down and press Save and Continue, and then follow the rest of the instructions that you may see on the screen. And that is pretty much it. After that, if you want to pay with your Nothing Phone 3a Pro, remember to keep NFC enabled. I mean, you can turn it off when you don't want to pay, and when you are about to pay, the NFC just has to be enabled. And if you enabled the requirement for the device to be unlocked, then of course you need to unlock your device, and then you can use your phone as you use your card most of the time. So that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye!